Hello friends, welcome to our technical tutorial from Team SMS. In our earlier tutorial of ImageJ, we have explained the basic image analysis like distance measurement and area measurement using ImageJ software both by thresholding and manually option. In this tutorial, I will explain one more process for area measurement using binary option without doing thresholding, and it will be as useful and time saving as doing it thresholding. So let's start it. As you can see, this is our image that I will use for analysis. Before doing any analysis, first thing to do is set the scale. In this case, I already have done the set scale. If you want to know how to do it, you may refer to our earlier tutorial of ImageJ. Once the scale is set, go to image and then type and then click on 8-bit to convert it into a 8-bit image. You will see it is written 8-bit at the top, which representing that our image is ready for analysis. Now, if you see carefully, you will observe that this is a SEM image where some particles are located at the top layer of the image and some particles are located at the below of the top layer. That means those particles are hidden and we don't want to select those particles for area measurement, because finally we will be taking an average area of all the particles. Therefore, what will happen when we will be doing it using thresholding, that I will show now. Go to image, adjust and then select the threshold. Threshold dialog box appears. Once you will be scrolling the bar at the threshold option, you will observe that the top layer particles becoming more and more prompt. But if you observe more carefully, then you will see that some noises are coming from the hidden particles that we don't want to select. We don't want any part of the hidden particle to come in our selected area, and therefore we need to select those particles only that are located at the top layer, or we need to be more selective. Therefore, in this case, the thresholding is not a good choice. Click on reset and close it. So how to do it? First thing to do is that go to process and then click on find edges. You will see that nice white line appears along each particle, and almost all particles are shown here with white boundary. And now it's time to use the binary function. Select the binary option under the process tab, click on make binary, and now you will see what will happen. Our original image is now converted into a final image that seems like a pencil sketch. And now it will be very helpful to select each and individual particle. And there comes another tool called one tool. What is one tool? This is a tool basically selects simultaneously those pixels which are of same color or tone. So select the one tool and then click on a particle. You will observe that yellow line appears surrounding the particle that representing the selected area. In this case, the yellow line totally covered up the entire particles. That means our selection is okay. Now click on Analyze and select Measure. Dialog box with result appears, which showing the area 17.524 of this particle. Now go to Edit and click on Fill to identify that this particles is already selected. Now do it for another particle. First select it, and as you already did it for the first particle, for the second particle you can use the shortcut key like Ctrl M to measure. The second line appears here with area value 17.857 and Ctrl F to fill it. So repeat it for some other particles. Ctrl M and Ctrl F. You will be selecting only those particles that are located on the top surface. You will not be selecting the hidden particles. Once you will feel that you have selected sufficient particle and you have gathered sufficient data, now you can see the result by clicking or going on the summarize, which is showing the mean and standard deviation value of the area 17.1499 in this case. Another thing you can do is that go to File and save as Excel file. You can see the result file is here located on my desktop. Here this is the particles that I have selected, and these are the area value. So you can calculate the radius and diameter also from these values, and can get the mean and standard deviation of those area, radius, or diameter. You can get the histogram of those area, radius, or diameter. Also possible to get the histogram using Origin software. So in this tutorial I have explained the use of binary function along with find edges tool and one tool as a aid of manual selection process, where the thresholding option is not a good choice. It will be very useful for doing it manual analysis. It will be as time saving as doing it thresholding. Hope it helps. If you like our tutorial, hit the like button below. Also put any queries at the YouTube comment section below. In our upcoming tutorials, we will be coming with many more exciting tools and functions in ImageJ softwares. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our tutorial.